Yo, don't you got somebody coming over? You're still sleeping.
Oh shit. What time is it?
Let me check. 11:23.
Oh damn. Well, I got lunch with my boy Mino. It was supposed to happen like 10 minutes ago, so.
Who is that?
Basically this 21-year-old kid that makes like $160,000 a year, grew like 3 separate TikTok accounts to 140K to 900,000 followers, grew from like 50K to 230K on IG. Let's just say just some pretty famous Asian kid online that I actually met through social media, and now we're pretty good friends.
What y'all got planned for today then?
So we're gonna get lunch downstairs in my apartment, probably give him a little apartment tour, and then after that, he has a couple meetings, I have a couple meetings in our different businesses, and then we'll probably get dinner with our Chicago boys, and we'll see from there.
Hi, my name's Mino. I dropped out of college. I'm 21 years old, and I'm here visiting Chicago because my girlfriend works and she has a hotel, and I'm freeloading. And I want to meet these rich business owners to steal their secrets. So that's why.
You can be whatever you want, bro.
Okay, fair.
And at the very end, we'll just be like, yeah, he might be half joking, but he's actually pretty big deal.
Everything I said is like complete truth.
But he didn't lie one bit. He actually blew up way back.
No, actually, let me
show them.
Yeah,
show them a couple videos.
I was working on a YouTube video this morning, so like it was just like a complete yap. I'm about to upload it onto YouTube as well. But I have
the last YouTube video you filmed trapped your face on.
Dude, it was a 10 of 10 for the first like 8 hours,
really?
And then I had an inkling like this is a good video. Like I just like felt like this is pretty unique. Like I feel like this is a good one, and it's like now rising up.
With that transition, it would still work.
I think
Instagram's cracking down now, because I don't think a lot of common CTAs are popping off.
I don't see too many, honestly. I think I saw them a lot like last year.
Yeah.
In the comments.
Would you guys recommend CTA now, or?
I personally don't at all. Only on YouTube. I think every time I do it, like I don't get as many views as I used to. Link in bio, it's like if people want to buy, they're gonna buy regardless. Like even when I was going crazy in common CTAs, we have this app called Hyros that tracks all our leads, and like 50% of our leads actually came just through link in bio without any CTA. So it's like if people want to buy, they're going to fucking figure out a way to buy. You don't have to tell them about it.
What do you think is like the first feature that you sell like as like the primary thing? Like do you think it's like support or like the course or like the software?
I think the biggest thing people buy is the plan. So like they just want to know how to do it and have the right guidance. And then we have like the software, the calls, and all the other stuff as like bonuses. Kind of like your webinar where it's like you have the main thing, and then you have a bunch of different bonuses sweet in the offer. So it's kind of like basically if you join the inner circle, then you get our software for free. If that makes sense. Like that's the pitch. Because no fucking kid cares about a software. Like they want to make money.
That's like a good point, yeah.
The software just kind of sweetens the deal.
Have you guys ever watched this Jubilee video of like $11,000 in a day versus $80 in a day? It's like
I've seen those. Mr. Beast does those too.
Yeah.
What's your bot? Like,
I also do like a lot of like political.
It was it was a course seller. I didn't recognize it at the time because he's talked about he's sold not drop shipping, day trading courses. His name's Ricky Gutierrez.
I know this guy. Yeah, he's a trading guy.
Yeah.
I think he lives in Arizona.
And like it was a video tracking his day versus some like random like DoorDash driver, and that got me interested in like making money because it was like.
What was his day like?
Where he was like, well, he woke up at 6, posted an Instagram story, day traded for like an hour, and then just chilled on his couch, got Chipotle, and then like.
Dude, that's kind of your dating lives now.
Yeah, that actually was.
Dude, all your dating lives are like, yeah, I posted an Instagram story, posted a reel. Oh shit, I made $1,000 today.
I mean, yeah. I guess, yeah, looking back, it's like, damn. But like, seeing that video, bro just like kind of chilled all day.
Yeah.
But like, I remember the one part that stuck with me is that he was eating a Chipotle bowl for lunch, and he was just like, yeah, it's like light money, you know, like, I don't know, like, I was in high school at the time, so like, I genuinely only had like allowance from my parents, right? So I was like, dude, like, bro can just eat Chipotle whenever he wants, like, what? Like, I didn't realize you didn't have to make anywhere near $11,000 a day to be able to do that. Bro, like you can just afford Chipotle with like any kind of job. Yeah. I saw that and I was like, whoa. And he doesn't have to really do much.
If I ordered Chipotle, I would feel like I'm saving money for the day.
Yeah, that's a cheap meal. Just wrapped up lunch with Mino. Now about to show him my apartment. We pay $6,500 a month to live here in downtown Chicago. So just gonna give him a little quick rundown of all the amenities, my specific apartment itself. Then after that, he has a meeting. I have a couple meetings for my business, and then got dinner with the boys later. So lots of things to do today. So let's cut to it.
It's like one of those girly selfies, you know?
Damn, influencer. You want both of us in the same laptop, or do you want me to be in a different room?
Let me think.
What you going over in today's call?
Well, actually, I'm also gonna do it on a stage instead.
Oh, gosh.
So like, if you want to stay in here, I don't think it's like a big deal.
Alright, cool. I'll just be an outsider. Oh, actually, no, I'll just join and then I'll just mute or turn off everything.
Yeah, and like even if you deafen technically,
Yeah.
you'll be fine. So it's air share. I was a soccer kid growing up.
Soccer?
Yeah.
Interesting.
Not really.
Oh! Yeah, throw me an assist.
You said you played basketball in high school?
Yeah, for varsity.
Oh, shit.
I'm making this one. There we go. Woo! Just gave Mino a tour. Now about to hop on a meeting with my business partners. Going over some crazy new changes to our software company that I think will get us to $1 million a month. Can't reveal it publicly just yet, but stay tuned because a lot of big things coming. All right, just wrapped up my, I believe, third meeting of the day. Had a call with all my leaders of different branches, like my sales team director, my sales automation guy, my business partners, our support guy. So all of that's done. Went through a lot of very important stuff that's gonna definitely move the ball forward and help us hit $1 million months very, very soon. But one last meeting for the day before I can finally chill and head off to dinner with the boys. It's just a coaching call I do with some students who want to learn from me. So weird segue, but if you want to learn from me yourself and get live coaching from me, check out the link in the description. No pressure. I can't control you. You do you. But yeah, anyways, off to the meeting. Let's go.
It was just a quick one. When you first started making money online, how consistent was your income, and how did you deal with like the highs and lows?
Basically, at every level, there's always ups and downs. Even people that I know making $1 million a month, like they even say they have crazy weeks where they do well, and then crazy weeks where it doesn't do as well. I would say the only way to make things consistent as possible is to keep your inputs consistent, right? So like every system is an input, a process, and output. So as long as you stick to what you can control, then it usually leads to a little bit more stable output. I know like if I post a YouTube video every day, if I'm posting an Instagram and a TikTok every day, and I know if I'm managing my team every day, managing my students every day, like the business will eventually just keep growing naturally. Just wrapped up my last meeting for the day. That was a banger. What do you say, so, Mino?
Basically, Renzo was walking us through a trauma healing routine. So I honestly, if I did that alone, I think I would have cried, bro.
Yeah, no, it's tough. I can't really say what it is publicly. It's a very secret thing I do every morning, but if you guys ever watch my vlogs where it's like I journal and talk to myself, like that is exercise I taught them. Super deep, hippie stuff. But anyways, wrap that up. We are running late to dinner. Mino's about to meet a bunch of my Chicago boys. So let's head out and let's go.
Let's get it.
Yeah, Mino got a roll, so gotta say bye to him, and then yeah, pretty much gonna chill the rest of the night.
How you like the weather here?
Dude, it's awful. Like, wait, hold on. So, I'm from New York, and I went to school in Boston. Like, those are cold cities, especially Boston too. Bro, it's December. It's like early December. It's not even supposed to be that cold, bro. That's like the most brutal wind I've ever seen. Like, no, you don't understand. Like, I was actually like, dude, I gotta cover my face. Like, this is crazy.
Walking backwards.
Yeah, I was like.
That's funny.
I was like going sideways to pierce the wind. I had to be more aerodynamic, dude.
Just wrapped up dinner with the boys and Mino. Gonna wrap up the day. But as always, gotta pocket watch a little bit. So me and Mino are gonna be competing on who made more today. So today I made $2,857. So
That's nothing.
let's see what Mino got.
Some crazy
Drum roll.
Some crazy. I actually don't know. I haven't checked yet. Okay.
Live reaction.
You'll see me pull it up live. Oh, hell no, bro. Oh, hell no, bro. Wait,
That's okay.
I'm kidding. That sounds so out of touch for me to say, oh, hell no.
Hey, he actually made $26,000 in a day. So he's not. This is just like a little off vacation day for him, you know?
Well, this is the recurring members payments. I don't think we had any new members today.
But yeah, so Mino's actually a coach for my Inner Circle coaching program where we teach people how to earn a full-time income from home, just type messages on their phone. So if you are interested in getting live coaching from me and Mino and the rest of my celebrity coaches, just check out the link in my description. No pressure. I can't control your life, you do you, but I know it will definitely change your life. So again, just check out the link in my description. And other than that, if you are interested in learning more about what I do for free, I just made a free course breaking down exactly how I made $2 million profit, just type messages on my phone. Now you can do it too, or make like 3 to 4K a month from home if you want. It's on YouTube, just check out this playlist right here and get a pen and paper out because it's gonna be saucy. So again, check out this playlist right here. Check it out. And I'll see you tomorrow. Peace.